Good girl. Painting, painting, painting. Yeah, good as looking there. That post, ceiling, walls. I'll take you on the tour. And the beam. Shiny. There's more kitchen. Ceiling, walls done. And there's more kitchen. So I did all up in there. Deconstruct all that in there. And doing the splashback now. And painting there. And it's the old laundry. Fixing up bits and pieces here and there and everywhere. So many kitchens. So it's like butler's pantry, and then that's, I don't know, I guess for the coffee machines and stuff. All that sort of mixers and things. And then the proper kitchen. And dining. Woohoo. I'll quickly show you. Hey, puppy. Her name's Esther. And Toki. Finally know their names. So I've done a spa and stuff out here. And that's the view. It's the ocean out there, you can see.